Now we're going to multiply these two imaginary numbers together. All right, so and we're going to just kind of treat it like a traditional um, multiplication problem initially, and then we'll show you what we'll do after that. So I'm gonna, if we can treat this I as a variable, in this case it's not a variable, it's an imaginary number, but let's just treat it there just for a moment. So I've got -4 times 5. I'm going to multiply those two together, then I'll multiply my i's together. So -4 times 5 is -20. Now I'll deal with my i's. I times I. Now if this were x, x times x would be x squared. So I times I is I squared. Okay, so it follows those same rules of a variable. When we multiply the two together, we just change the exponent essentially. Now, here's where it changes though. We have to remember the very important rule with imaginary numbers. I squared is equal to -1. That's a crucial part here. So now that I know that I squared is equal to -1, I'm going to substitute -1 in here for this I squared. So that'll give me 20 times, -20 times -1. Well, -20 times -1 is +20. So my answer in this case is +20. So basically, we're going to treat it just like a variable. We're going to multiply the two i's together. That gives me I squared. And we have to remember this rule that I squared equals -1.